Hello everyone, in this video we will see some more detail about the data type set. So first let me create a set of some numbers. A is equal to 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So now we will insert some elements into this set. So you know how to insert this element. The function called as add. So if I want to add 2 to this A, I can use this particular function. So now we will see without using add how we will insert some elements into list. Okay. So what I have to do. So suppose now I want to add the elements 2, 4, 6. So I can give like this: A is equal to A, and there is a OR operator, or 2, 4, 6. So now when I print A, what happens? These three elements will be added to this list. To this set. So let us run and see. You can see this set is now having 3 more elements, 2, 4, 6. Okay. So now what happens when I include 1 and 3 also? Okay, so 1 and 3 is present in this list as well as in this list. So that means duplicate copies will not be added. So this 1 and 3 will not be included in the original list because the original list is already having these 2 elements. So when you run and see, you can see that this 1 and 3 is not being updated into this list. So because this list is already having 1 and 3 and duplicates are not allowed in set, so these duplicate copies are being omitted. Now how to remove some elements in list. Now I want to remove the elements 3 and 7. Okay, so how I will do? So A is equal to A minus 3, 7. So this will remove the elements 3 and 7. So let us print A, and now A is not having 3 and 7. Now let us update some values. For example, I want to update this 7 to 10, and I told you at the beginning updation cannot be done directly, so you have to remove 7 first and then you have to add 10. So how to remove 7? So A equal to A minus 7, this will remove the 7, and you have to add 10 to this. So if you add 10, so now if you print A, you can see 7 is being updated to 10. So now I will change this content of A. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, and B is having now I want to perform union of A and B. So how I will do is, so let me store the union into C. So C is the union of A and B. Okay, so this is star operator. If you print C, you can note that the union of A and B is stored in C. And now what we will do, we will do the difference operation. So that is, if I want to subtract B from A, what I have to do, I can give like this: C is equal to A minus B. So this will give A minus B, that is difference operation is being implemented. So similarly you can give like this: D is equal to B minus A. Okay, so this is A minus B and this is B minus A. Okay, so now we will do intersection operation. I want to intersect A and B. So let me store that operation in C. So C is equal to A ampersand B. Okay, so this will do the intersection operation. So when I print the content of C, you can see 8, 2, 4, 6 is the intersection operation.